Meet the ESAB Renegade Volt ES200i, a revolutionary welder that lets you work without messy wires while still delivering powerful performance. Weighing just 33 pounds, it features 4 ESAB batteries that offer up to 150 AMPs on the go. And when plugged in, it reaches up to 200 AMPs for tougher jobs. Designed for instant use, it ensures consistent, reliable welds, making it perfect for professionals across different sites. Starting at $3,600, the Renegade Volt is portable and powerful, though the display might be tricky to see through your welding mask. This is the SweetWater GAFFGUN, a game-changing tool for anyone who needs to secure cables or mark floors quickly and efficiently. Weighing just 9 pounds, this clever device applies gaffer tape 5 times faster than doing it by hand, making it a must-have for event setups, film sets, or any busy workspace. With its adjustable handle and variety of cable guides, it ensures cables are neatly taped without hassle. Starting at $269, the GAFFGUN brings convenience and professionalism to any job. The LIFTPLAQ is a tool designed to make lifting heavy manholes and drain covers effortless and safe. Weighing around 33 to 40 pounds, it uses a powerful magnetic grip and adjustable handle to securely lift covers up to 220 pounds with ease. Its wheels allow you to roll it into position, minimizing strain and keeping workers safe while ensuring proper alignment. Priced between $500 to $1,000, the LIFTPLAQ is a must-have for professionals in construction and utilities. This is the Würth ABH 18-volt Compact M-Cube, a powerful cordless rotary hammer drill designed for professionals who need efficiency and portability on tough jobs. Weighing just 6.4 pounds, it effortlessly drills through concrete, wood, and steel with its 2.2 joules of impact energy. With a brushless motor and anti-vibration technology, it ensures smooth, reliable performance even in tight spaces. Priced around $500, this versatile tool offers compact power with the convenience of Würth's M-Cube battery system. Forget about traditional masonry work. Meet the Quikpoint TURBO, a must-have tool for anyone tackling masonry projects. Designed to make pointing and joint filling fast and precise, this lightweight tool weighs just 3.5 pounds and works with your drill to apply mortar up to 5 times faster than traditional methods. With a half-gallon hopper and various nozzle options, it handles different joint sizes easily, ensuring smooth, efficient application every time. Priced around $272, the Quikpoint TURBO is built to save time and effort, making it ideal for large-scale projects. This is the Diablo amped Rebar Demon, a powerful carbide-tipped drill bit designed for tackling tough jobs like drilling through rebar and concrete with ease. Its 4-cutter design and reinforced core make it faster and more durable, offering twice the drilling speed of standard bits. Available in various sizes, it ensures smooth, precise drilling, even through reinforced concrete, without jamming. Priced between $15 to $100, the Rebar Demon is built for professionals who need speed, strength, and reliability on every project. Meet the Wacker Neuson BS54, a compact 4-cycle rammer designed to tackle soil compaction in tight spaces with ease. Powered by a reliable Honda engine, it offers 680 blows per minute and can compact up to 23.6 inches deep, making it perfect for trench work and soil stabilization. Its lightweight 130-pound design and ergonomic handles make it easy to maneuver, all while providing quieter, low-emission performance. Priced around $3,000, the BS50-4 is an efficient, environmentally friendly solution for professionals in construction and landscaping. This is the Terrier lifting clamps, which are designed to make heavy material handling both safe and efficient across industries like construction and shipbuilding. Built from high-grade steel, these clamps can lift up to 25,000 kilograms, securely gripping steel plates and beams in vertical, horizontal, or angled positions. With various models and jaw sizes, they provide flexibility for different tasks while ensuring safety through a robust locking mechanism. Priced at around $1,500, Terrier lifting clamps are an essential tool for any heavy-duty lifting operation. The Graco cordless paint sprayer is a portable solution designed for quick, efficient painting projects. Powered by a DeWalt 20-volt max battery, it delivers up to 1 gallon of paint per charge, with a powerful 2,000 psi for consistent and smooth paint application. Spraying up to 0.34 gallons per minute, it's ideal for small to medium jobs like walls, fences, and cabinets. Priced around $640, this lightweight, high-performance sprayer offers freedom and precision for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This is the Klein Loose Cable Stapler, a must-have tool for electricians and cable installers looking for an efficient way to secure cables without damage. Designed for NM, CAT5E/CAT-T6, and coaxial cables, it uses insulated staples to fasten wires securely to surfaces while protecting them from crushing. Lightweight and jam-resistant, it makes cable management fast and easy, ideal for residential and commercial installations. Priced around $40, this ergonomic stapler is perfect for anyone needing a reliable, cable-friendly solution. The Craig Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro is a professional-grade tool designed to make woodworking faster and more precise. It supports materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick and features a hardened steel core with 3 drill guides for creating accurate, clean pocket holes. With its Automax clamping system, it adjusts effortlessly to different material thicknesses, allowing you to create strong, hidden joints in no time. Priced around $150, this durable, lightweight jig is perfect for both professionals and DIY woodworkers alike. The Goebel Go SN1 cordless 18-volt rivet nut gun is a powerful, battery-operated tool designed for setting rivet nuts with speed and precision. With an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers portability and long run times, making it perfect for industrial settings like automotive, aerospace, and construction. Its adjustable torque, quick-change mandrel system, and 20,000 newtons of pulling force make installing rivet nuts efficient and effortless. Priced around $900, this lightweight tool combines power and versatility, ensuring maximum productivity in demanding projects. The Franklin Pro Sensor T13 is a professional-grade stud finder designed for quick and accurate detection of studs, pipes, and hidden objects behind walls. With its 13 precision sensors, it scans up to 1.6 inches deep, providing both edge and center detection to make locating studs fast and reliable. Lightweight and easy to use, it covers a 7.5-inch scanning area and features an LED display for clear readings. Priced around $56, the T13 is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring safe and efficient installations every time. Meet the Makita 40 Volt Max XGTR Earth Auger GGD01, a powerful cordless tool designed for drilling precise holes in the soil for tasks like planting trees and setting posts. With 2 speed settings, low at 0 to 500 RPM and high at 0 to 1400 RPM, it offers versatility for various soil conditions. Powered by a 40-volt max battery and equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers gas-like strength without the hassle. Priced at $999, this tool is perfect for professionals in landscaping, construction, and agriculture who need cordless efficiency and power. The Makita DCU602 LXT wheelbarrow is a game-changer for anyone handling heavy loads on a job site, offering the power and convenience of a cordless design. Equipped with dual 18-volt LX-Tier batteries, it can carry up to 220 pounds and travel at speeds up to 2.5 miles per hour, making tough tasks like moving soil, gravel, or construction materials a breeze. With its brushless motor and front-wheel drive, it handles slopes and uneven terrain with ease. Quiet, efficient, and eco-friendly, this wheelbarrow is perfect for construction, landscaping, and farming professionals. The Capro 340 post-right folding post level is a must-have for anyone installing posts or poles, ensuring perfect vertical and horizontal alignment every time. Its durable, impact-resistant design folds down for easy storage and fits posts up to 4 inches in diameter. With highly visible vials and an elastic strap for hands-free use, it's perfect for tasks like fencing, decking, and signage. Priced around $10, this lightweight, compact tool is essential for professionals and DIYers alike, offering accuracy and convenience on every project. The M18 compact 1-ton chain hoist with one key is a groundbreaking tool for heavy lifting, powered by the M18 red lithium battery system, offering the power and convenience of a cordless design. Capable of lifting up to 1 ton, it provides precise control with variable speeds and a lift height of up to 10 feet. With one-key technology, users can customize settings and track usage remotely, boosting job site efficiency. Lightweight at 35 pounds, this hoist is ideal for construction, industrial, and maintenance professionals needing reliable, portable lifting power. The Milescraft 1620 sand plane is a must-have tool for anyone looking to make sanding easier and more efficient. With its ergonomic handle and 4 interchangeable sanding surfaces, it's designed for precision work on flat, curved, and contoured surfaces. Whether you're shaping wood for a DIY project or smoothing furniture, this lightweight tool gives you control and comfort. At just $10, it's an affordable, versatile solution for both professionals and hobbyists in woodworking and home improvement. The digital PPR pipe welding machine is a powerful tool designed to make welding PPR pipes precise and efficient, ideal for professional plumbers and installers. With a digital temperature display and control system, it ensures accurate heating between 50 degrees Celsius to 320 degrees Celsius for a seamless and durable connection, perfect for water supply and HVAC systems. The welding time varies from 15 to 30 seconds, and it handles pipes from 16 millimeters to 160 millimeters. Weighing up to 10 kilograms, it's lightweight, easy to use, and packed with safety features like automatic shutdown and overheat protection. The 3-disc milling machine, EPF 203, is a powerful tool designed for precise surface milling and material removal in heavy-duty projects. With a 7.5 kilowatt motor and a working width of 200 millimeters, it effortlessly removes concrete, asphalt, and coatings, making it ideal for road construction and industrial maintenance. Its 3-disc system ensures smooth, efficient performance, while features like adjustable depth control and dust extraction make it versatile and safe to use. Built for large-scale tasks, this machine combines power, precision, and reliability for demanding environments. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon!